Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to redeem an Airbnb gift card. Without any further ado, let's get started. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on Profile. This is where you can access all your personal Airbnb settings and account information. It's essentially your control center for managing everything related to your account. Once you're in your profile, look for the option labeled Account Settings and tap on it. This section contains all the important configurations for your Airbnb account, from personal details to payment methods. It's where you'll make most of your account adjustments and modifications. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Payments section. Tap on Payments to proceed. This is where Airbnb stores all your payment information, including credit cards, debit cards, and any gift cards or promotional credits you've added. It's an important section because it determines how you'll pay for your bookings and reservations. Within the Payments menu, you'll see an option called Credits and Coupons. Go ahead and tap on it. This specific section is designed to manage any promotional codes, travel credits, or gift cards that you want to apply to your account. It's where all your savings and gift balances are tracked and stored. Now you'll see an option that says Add Gift Card. Tap on this button to begin the redemption process. This will open up a new screen where you can enter your gift card details and activate the credit on your account. At this point, you'll be prompted to input the PIN from your gift card. Carefully type in the PIN exactly as it appears on your gift card. Make sure you enter it correctly, as any mistakes will prevent the redemption from going through. The PIN is usually found on the back of a physical card or in the email if you received a digital gift card. After entering your PIN, look for the button that says Redeem Gift Card and tap on it. This will process your gift card and add the credit to your Airbnb account. You might need to wait just a moment while the system verifies the code and applies the balance to your account. And that's it. Your Airbnb gift card has been successfully redeemed and the credit is now available for you to use on your next booking. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.